Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello friends, now we see the problems which is related to the continuity. In this problem, we have to check whether the given function is continuous or discontinuous at the point indicated against them. The problem is fx equal to e raised 5x minus e raised 2x upon sine of 3x, comma x not equal to 0 is equal to 1, comma x equal to 0 and at x equal to 0. So in this question we have to examine the given function fx is continuous or discontinuous at the given point x equal to 0. Now let's see the solution. First of all, we write f of x is equal to 1 at x equal to 0. This means now for x we have to put 0, so that gives f of 0 is equal to 1. Let us this denote as a equation 1. The next step is limit x tends to 0 fx. That equal to limit x tends to 0. Now here x tends to 0 means x not equal to 0. And for x not equal to 0, we have f of x is equal to e raised 5x minus e raised 2x upon sine of 3x. So that equal to limit x tends to 0. Now here e raised 5x is a positive term. So we write minus 1 and minus e raised 2x is a negative term. So we write there plus 1 upon sine of 3x. That equal to limit x tends to 0. Now here we make it two brackets in the numerator. That is e raised 5x minus 1 in one bracket, and from the third and fourth term we take minus 1 common. So that minus in bracket e raised 2x minus 1 and whole thing divided by sine of 3x. Now here to get rule, that is limit x tends to 0 sine of x upon x, that gives 1, and secondly limit x tends to 0 e raised x minus 1 upon x, that equal to 1. So to solve the given problem we have to use these two formulas. So the next step will be limit x tends to 0 Now e raised 5x minus 1 upon 5x and into 5x. So this is adjustment for exponential function. Then minus limit extends to 0, e raised 2x minus 1 upon 2x and into 2x. Then whole thing divided by limit extends to 0, sine of 3x, so that also we can adjust upon 3x and into 3x. So that equal to, now here we take x common from numerator and then that x is cancelled with x present in the denominator. So the next step will be limit extends to 0, e raised 5x minus 1 upon 5x into 5 minus limit extends to 0, e raised 2x minus 1 upon 2x into 2 and the whole thing divided by limit extends to 0, sine of 3x upon 3x into 3. So by using rules of limit of exponential function, the first bracket gives answer 1 into 5 minus second bracket in the numerator gives answer 1 into 2 upon third bracket in the denominator gives answer 1 into 3. So that equal to 5 minus 2 upon 3. That equal to 3 upon 3. That equal to 1. So in this way we get limit extends to 0, f of x is equal to 1. Let us this denote as a equation 2. Now from equation 1 and 2 we can conclude that limit extends to 0, f of x is equal to f0 and therefore the function fx is continuous at x equal to 0. So this is a required solution for the given problem. Thank you.